in the garden. These are some turnip seeds, or turnip seeds. Yeah, it's really my first time actually planting something other than just flowers or something, but I'm learning. But I do not think I did this correctly the first time. I was supposed to make it all the way down here. Only made it right here.
I just realized this man having a seizure. What are you talking about? Alright, that's all.
Apple pie from Jack's. Haven't had anything since to eat since like 9 o'clock. Not bad, not bad. So got done with a little air fryer fish. I guess it's still called a fish fry or a shrimp. I don't know what it's called. Air fryer with the shrimp. First one we did with the batter first. I wouldn't recommend doing that with the air fryer. I would just recommend doing some seasoning like I did on the second batch. Some salt, pepper, Old Bay, whatever Cajun seasoning or lemon pepper seasoning, whatever you like. Then did some calamari and some okra. Okra is just regular fried. But yeah, it's 10:21 p.m. right now, and I just now getting home like 20 minutes ago. I gotta get to work on this video. I have 2 hours and 30 minutes to get this video up, so I gotta get to it. I have to make these videos a little bit more smoother, a little bit more story oriented, but this is all I have for today. I didn't eat for the first time really other than some cereal in the morning. Then at 9 o'clock or whatever time it was, I ate this shrimp. So yeah, I'm hungry, I'm stuffed, I'm kind of sleepy right now, but I got power through this. I got 90 minutes to get this video done. I say this video is maybe 6 minutes long. I really don't know. 6-7 minutes long. Haven't even started. The footage is still importing. Yeah, I'm still recording at 10:22. Hasta luego. Keep marching. Bye. Oh, link to the playlist is in the description. Hasta luego.